Well, hello everyone and welcome to this Robin Fees Explainer. What does Robin charge? Well, if you're tracking your investment on a mobile dashboard, seeing the word commission free plastered across every single promotional banner can feel incredibly liberating. When Robinhood burst into the scene, it completely revolutionized the retail investing landscape by eliminating the flat $5 to $10 per trade fees that traditional brick-and-mortar brokerages had strictly enforced for decades. However, any seasoned investor knows that financial platforms are not operating as charities. When a business model promises $0 transactions for stock, options, and exchange trade funds, a smart consumer must naturally look closer to understand how the company remains highly profitable. So this comprehensive cost analysis completely demystifies Robinhood's entire fee structure. We'll look past the free labels to break down how hidden market execution mechanics work, analyze their premium subscription tiers, detail the explicit interest charges tied to leverage margin trading, and audit the standard account service and transfer penalties and isolate the strict regulatory pass-throughs so you can trade with total financial transparency. Also, if you want to try Robinhood yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description to sign up and get free stock worth $5 and $200. To accurately evaluate the actual cost of a free trade, you must look closely at how orders are structurally filled behind the scenes. When you execute a market order to buy or sell a stock, the brokerage routes your request to institutional market makers rather than sending it directly to a public exchange floor. This background routing process utilizes an industry standard mechanism known as payment for order flow, where high-frequency trading firms pay the broker small fractions of a cent per share for the right to process your retail order volume. While this mechanism allows the platform to waive upfront commissions, it introduces the concept of the bid-ask execution spread. The spread represents the minor price variance between the highest price a buyer is willing to pay and the lowest price a seller is willing to accept for an asset at the exact millisecond. If a platform's routing algorithms do not aggressively pursue price improvement, you could occasionally experience fills that are a penny or two higher on buys or a penny or two lower on sells. Compared to the absolute master market average over large blocks of shares, these fractional spread variances function as a silent structural cost that minorly chips away at your immediate equity entry point. While a standard baseline account is entirely free to open and maintain with zero monthly inactivity penalties, the company captures a substantial portion of its recurring revenue through its premium service package known as Robinhood Gold. This premium subscription costs a flat $5 per month, or roughly $50 annually if billed up front, functioning as a fixed overhead fee for investors seeking advanced analytical capabilities and enhanced platform functionality. Opting into the Gold tier unlocks a suite of premium features designed for more active traders, including deeper Level 2 market data powered by Nasdaq TotalView and comprehensive professional equity research reports sourced from Morningstar. Additionally, your uninvested cash sweep interest yield from a baseline rate up to a significantly higher competitive return rate, while simultaneously expanding your instant deposit allowances so you can access larger chunks of incoming bank transfers before they fully clear the banking system. For smaller accounts holding limited liquid capital, a fixed monthly subscription can represent a noticeable percentage of your total portfolio value, meaning you must carefully calculate whether your interest earnings and data usage outpace the annual cost. For investors who intentionally utilize leverage to amplify their market exposure, understanding the platform's margin fee framework is vital to avoiding severe debt traps. Margin trading allows you to borrow capital directly against the collateral value of your existing stock portfolio to purchase additional securities. The company historically built a highly competitive reputation by offering some of the lowest margin interests among major retail brokerages. But these borrowing privileges are strictly tied to your subscription status and total debt balance. If you are a Robinhood Gold member, your subscription covers the access layer and your borrow rate scales dynamically based on the exact size of your outstanding margin loan. The baseline interest rate hovers between 5.7 to 6.75% depending on your total margin balance, with non-gold users or smaller balances facing higher adjusted interest tiers. It is critical to recognize that this interest accumulates continuously on your outstanding debt balance, meaning that if your underlying investments decline in value while you are borrowing capital, your interest obligations remain fixed. This can rapidly trigger a margin call, forcing the system to automatically liquidate your core long-term stock positions at a loss to instantly pay down your structural loan balance. As digital assets become an increasingly central component of modern retail portfolios, the brokerage adapted its crypto-specific cost structures to reflect complex blockchain liquidity. Unlike standard equities, trading cryptocurrencies through Robinhood Crypto involves distinct execution protocols. While the platform advertises zero-commission crypto trades, they utilize a specialized smart exchange routing system that connects to multiple external crypto liquidity pools to fill your digital orders. At this point, it's critical to emphasize that dissecting these digital asset execution tiers is what separates basic stock investing from cost-efficient cryptocurrency management. So if you want to try Robinhood yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description to sign up and get a free stock worth between $5 to $200. When you trade assets like Bitcoin or Ethereum, the platform builds an implicit spread directly into the displayed buy and sell codes to cover execution costs and routing management. Furthermore, the system incorporates tiered volume structures where your all-in execution price adjusts based on your trailing 30-day crypto trading volume. Users must closely evaluate these embedded spreads before executing large, rapid crypto swaps, as high-frequency trading across volatile digital assets can accumulate noticeable spread costs compared to utilizing a dedicated, high-volume cryptocurrency spot exchange with fixed market taker fee charts. Now, beyond daily trading execution, the platform applies definitive service fees for specific administrative account actions, physical documentation requests, and outward capital movements. While standard electronic bank deposits and routine automated clearinghouse withdrawals are entirely free, choosing to bypass standard multi-day processing speeds in favor of an instant withdrawal to an external debit card or linked bank account triggers an immediate transactional fee of up to 1.75% of the total transferred amount. An even more substantial financial penalty to prepare for is the outbound automated customer account transfer service fee. If you ever decide to close your account entirely and migrate your existing stock shares, option contracts, and fractional equities directly to an alternative competitor brokerage without liquidating your portfolio, Robinhood charges a flat $100 outbound transfer fee. This administrative cost is deducted directly from your remaining cash balance before the assets are pushed to the receiving firm, making it an essential variable to factor in if you are planning a long-term institutional migration. Additionally, minor penalties include a $20 fee for domestic overnight paper check deliveries and a $2 fee for requested paper account statements or trade confirmations instead of standard electronic PDF delivery. The final category of investment friction consists of non-negotiable regulatory pass-through fees that are completely outside of the brokerage's corporate control. By federal law, government regulatory bodies charge tiny fractional fees on all retail equity sale orders to fund their market oversight operations. The platform is legally required to collect these microscopic payments from users and pass the proceeds directly to the corresponding regulatory organizations. The first of these is the SEC regulatory transaction fee, which is currently set at $20.60 per 1 million of principal, applied exclusively to stock and ETF sell orders and rounded up to the nearest penny. The second is the FINRA Trading Activity Fee, or TAF, which as of January 1, 2026, charges a baseline rate of $0.000195 per share for equity sales and $0.00329 per contract for option sales. While these individual fees amount to a few pennies or fractions of a cent on average retail transactions, they are collected automatically upon execution. The platform does attempt to buffer small users by waiving the pass-through SEC fee entirely on sales with an overall notional value of $500 or less. But larger positions will always see these exact regulatory deductions reflected on their official trade confirmations. So there you have it, our detailed review of Robinhood fees explained. So if you want to try Robinhood yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description to sign up and get a free stock worth between $5 to $200. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.